So you're fit, young, and probably under 40, looking for a health insurance plan that actually rewards you for being active. That's where the new policy from Aditya Birla called Activ Fit keeps popping up. And chances are, if you've been researching health insurance on Google or talking to your friends about it, someone sent you this plan already. Hello folks, I'm Shashank and you're watching Ditto Insurance. Today we're going to break down Aditya Birla's Activ Fit policy. We'll unpack everything that there is to know about this, who it's meant for, what's genuinely different here, the built-in features, the lifestyle bonus, waiting periods, even what the premiums look like, and whether they really make sense for you or if it's all just clever marketing. By the end of the video, you will exactly know if Activ Fit should be on your shortlist or if you're better off with one of the older, more traditional health plans. And again, if it ever feels overwhelming or you just want someone to cut through the noise for your specific age, health status, and city, book a free call with Ditto. It's completely free. We'll sort it out for you and we promise no spam. The link is in the description. Alright, now heading on to the basics. Aditya Birla Health Insurance, as the name says, is backed by Aditya Birla Capital Group along with Momentum Metropolitan from South Africa. They've been doing health insurance since 2016 and today they cover around 19 million lives across more than 5,000 cities. So from a scale and credibility point of view, you really don't have to worry. Their CSR over the past 3 years has averaged around 95% with an ICR of about 68%. That's quite decent. Complaint volume is slightly on the higher side though, roughly 22 per 10,000 claims, which isn't alarming but still something to keep in mind if service friction bothers you. Their hospital network is strong too, crossing 12,000 hospitals, which means you'll likely find cashless tie-ups wherever you live. Now, let's talk about who this policy is actually for. Activ Fit is quite literally designed for younger demographics. Now, what do I mean by that? The entry age for adults is between 18 and 45. That's right, 45, not 65 or 80 unlike in other policies. That means after 45 you can't buy it fresh, but if you've already bought it, the plan renews for life. Children under the family floater can be covered from as young as 91 days to about 225 years. Now, if you want to take an individual cover for your child, you can start from 5 years. The sum insured options go from as low as 1 lakh rupees up to 1 crore. So there's plenty of flexibility whether you're just starting out or want a serious safety net. Now, let's get into the features. And there's a lot packed in here, so brace for it. Both their plus and preferred variants give you coverage without copays and without disease-wise sublimits. Now, if you pick a sum insured of 3 lakh or higher, you get a single private room eligibility. From 5 lakh upwards, there's no room rent restriction at all. That's actually a major plus because many older plans still have sneaky caps that can end up cutting your entire claim money down during billing. Pre and post hospitalization is generous, 90 days before admission and 180 days after discharge, which comfortably beats the standard 60 or 90 days caps. Daycare procedures, domiciliary treatment, Ayush, modern treatments, organ donor costs, all of these are covered up to your full sum insured. There's also 10% cumulative bonus that grows every claim-free year up to 100%, meaning your sum insured can basically double over time. But what's even more interesting is the restoration benefit. Now, this kicks in unlimited times a year, even if you've only partially used your cover, and even for the same illness. Now, that's far better than many other plans that restore just once or only for unrelated illnesses. Now, coming to where the preferred variant differs. That's where you get maternity and newborn cover. It pays up to 40,000 for a normal delivery and 60,000 for a C-section. Newborn expense for the first 90 days are included within these maternity limits. There's no separate newborn insurance after that, so you would add your baby formally as a dependent child after 3 months. And the waiting period for maternity is 3 years, so it's really meant for those who are in their early family planning days. But honestly, the biggest differentiator of Activ Fit is their whole health rewards ecosystem. Now, they have this program called Health Returns, which give you back up to 50% of your premiums based on how fit you are. That's right, they track it through Healthy Heart scores, activity days, online fitness assessments, all done through their app. You also get yearly health assessments for free covering BMI, BP, sugar, cholesterol and more done at their network centers. Plus there's a mental health module. Depending on your online mental wellness score, you get 2 to 4 free sessions with certified counselors for mild depression, stress or anxiety. And it's not deep therapy, but it's a really smart holistic touch that most insurers don't even think about. Now you've also got a bunch of optional add-ons. There's a super no-claim bonus add-on that grows your sum insured faster by an extra 50% a year up to 100%. A premium waiver add-on that kicks in if you're diagnosed with a listed critical illness or suffer a total permanent disability. An EMI protection feature that pays 3 EMIs of any existing loan if you're hospitalized for over 6 days, though you can only use this once a lifetime. Then there's Travel Protect for trip disruptions, non-medical waiver to cover things like gloves, PP kits that insurers often reject, and OPD cashless options for unlimited consultations. Some of these add-ons may not be fully live across all the platforms. Now, when it comes to waiting periods, most things are pretty standard here. 30 days for general illness, 2 years for specified diseases like cataract, gallstones, arthritis, and 3 years for pre-existing diseases. Maternity under the preferred variant is 3 years too, so again, it works best if you're planning early. Now, let's talk about what you'll actually pay for this. Now, for a 10 lakh sum insured in Mumbai, if you're a 25-year-old buying the Activ Fit Plus plan, your annual premium comes to exactly 7,800 rupees. Now, if it's a 30-year-old couple taking a family floater, the Plus variant will cost you around 13,100, while the preferred jumps slightly higher to 17,700 because that's the one that includes maternity and newborn benefits. Now, for a family of 3, say 2 parents aged 35 and 5-year-old child, the premium stands at 18,700 for Plus, 23,300 for preferred. So as you see, the difference between the Plus and preferred is consistently around 4,000 to 5,000 rupees, directly tied to adding maternity and newborn coverage. These are real premiums pulled directly from insurers' quote tables for Mumbai, and the reason these numbers look a little lower than older legacy plans is because Activ Fit restricts fresh entry to people under 45. Now, they're literally pricing for a younger, healthier pool, and that's also why they offer things like rewards and premium backs, because statistically most of this cohort won't claim big in the early years. So to sum it all up, Activ Fit is genuinely built for young people who like the idea of tracking their health, earning rewards, and don't mind engaging with the digital ecosystem. And it's also great if you're planning a baby in the next few years and want maternity plus restoration baked in. If you're older, already in your late 40s, or want a plan purely focused on big chronic illnesses or higher age group stability, there are more traditional plans that might suit you better. Are you still confused? Then just book a free call with Ditto. We'll compare Activ Fit with every other big player, pull out the exact premium for your age and city, and tell you straight up if it's worth or not. It's completely free and it'll probably save you hours of confusion. The link is right in the description. That's it from me, folks, and if you like this video, please share it across with someone who's looking for a health plan, and don't forget to subscribe to Ditto Insurance for more insurance content. I will see you in the next one. Until then, happy insurance hunting.